got another life-changing jackpot for you.
Fox News alert, we're getting word that Israel's launching preemptive airstrikes against Iran. Explosions were reported in Tehran, the capital, which would be a big escalation in the war in the Middle East.
While missiles were being launched across borders, something else was being triggered. Quietly from a keyboard. At exactly 5:47 a.m., just hours before the world heard about the Israel-Iran confrontation, Iran's largest underground crypto exchange went dark. No warning, no update, just silence. Traders panicked, wallets froze, millions lost. And while the first war started outside with chaos in the streets, the second one was behind graphs, numbers, and calculations. Over $500 million gone, vanished from Iranian digital markets in under 24 hours. But that wasn't even the strangest part. An hour before the platform collapsed, a black and white flyer was spotted in Tehran's subway. Printed on cheap paper, glued on a window. No branding, no number, nothing but a weird line of gibberish at the bottom. At first glance, just another ad in a city drowning in chaos. But then someone zoomed in, posted it on Twitter, and everything changed. That string of gibberish, it was a crypto address. To be specific, an Ethereum wallet. And that address, it received over $500 million worth of crypto within 24 hours. Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, even obscure stablecoins from unrelated chains. But here's where it gets truly wild. That same wallet was also used in a massive dump, just hours before the first missile struck. And whoever posted that ad didn't just know war was coming, they traded it. You know, making a video like this one cost around $2,000, right? But I made it myself, everything from script writing, animation, video editing, music composition, sound effects, and more. And I also made a course to teach you how to make one exactly like this. So if you are interested in learning editing from me personally, go to our website learntheedit.com and start today. Alright, let's go. This war is not like any other war. Something doesn't add up. Every time war breaks out, the market reacts like a machine. Oil goes up, gold goes up, fear goes up. (1973) Yom Kippur War. Oil prices didn't rise. They exploded, quadrupled in months. 1990, when Iraq invaded Kuwait. Yeah, the Gulf War. That time oil doubled in days. 2022, Russia marches into Ukraine. What happened to oil? It went all the way up to $120 per barrel. And of course, gold did the same thing. But this time, June 2025, Israel and Iran collide. Headlines scream World War III.
World War III?
But the charts, they do the exact opposite. Oil dips, gold drops, the fear trade disappears. But this isn't just about war. This is about how someone saw it coming and made millions trading it. So next time, check the charts when you hear explosions, because war doesn't just shake governments. It exposes the lies we tell ourselves about how the market works. And if you are a trader, these are the lies that could cost you everything. Lie number 1. Safe havens are always safe. We are told that when the world burns, money runs to gold, to oil, to the so-called safe havens. But the market doesn't wait for the news. It predicts it. And if you are late, you are not trading, you are donating. Lie number 2. Smart money reacts like everyone else. No, smart money doesn't react. It prepares. By the time the public sees breaking news, smart money is already gone. Lie number 3. Retail has a shot in real time. Retail always plays catch up. Always. When you are buying the breakout, they're selling the spike. When you're reading headlines, they are reading flows. And that's not trading. That's chasing shadows. In a world where headlines scream louder than logic, you don't need more noise. You need an edge. This channel isn't about hype. It's about understanding. And if this hits differently, wait until you see what's next. Until then, trade smart, think deeper, and never chase what the market already knows.